Welcome to Buildeco and this new building concept.
What we are building on this former redundant garage site are semi-detached 3-bed houses for social rent. The delivery concept is an off-site approach using the world's first flat-pack 3-dimensional building system, which is strong and robust. Our approach is a fabric-first solution, meaning lower running costs, which benefits the tenants. As a panelised system, it has many advantages over volumetric, as we can build in difficult but accessible locations. Components are delivered flat packed in a white van ready for site assembly. This building method uses semi-skilled system integrator, and on larger projects, training and employment can be given to the local community. What's remarkable is that the site assemblers have no previous building skills. We are already training women as system site assemblers, and there are further opportunities to train youth with financial support from the government. What we have here is a construction industry disruptor which will change the way buildings will be constructed in the future.